everybody, it's Yo-Yo. Well, a girl is back for our fourth winner in our 5-day giveaway. Today's winner is that girl TLA. That girl TLA, girl, hit me up at Gmail at yoyofinds.com. Also, stay tuned. I got a little bit more preview of what I'm giving away in that. And also, Joanne is extending that clearance sale into the 26th. So check out my previous video, and I'll see you at the end to say my bye-byes. Enjoy. Hey, my girls. Well, I'm back with the second half of what's going to be in that giveaway. This is one of the things is the stickers for the recipe organizing kit. These are some stickers that came with that. Show you those. It had a recipe organizing kit. The one I showed you yesterday was a home organizing kit. You're going to get one of each. They also had binders, so you're going to get a binder as well. I got two different colors, pink and the green. So you're going to get one of these. You're going to get the recipe, the organizing kit, the stickers for the organizing kits. That is the last part of what's all included in the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I hope you enjoyed. Hey everybody, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the giveaways, and hey, participating too. Thank you so much. And you know, when the girl will see y'all, she'll see you tomorrow for the final winner for the 1,000 subscriber. Have a good one. Bye bye.